Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ime and this is Unbox and Chill. I do have another unboxing today that we're going to take a look at here. Let me just do some rearranging. There we go, good. Alright, so, I received the package today. Got something to unbox. It is a watch. As you guys will know, I normally unbox watches that I receive from WatchKing.com. It's a subscription box service, subscription watches, but also, wheel watches that you can purchase from there as well. I didn't do that this time. I went ahead and got something a little bit different here. I still have a Watch Gang subscription, but I decided to, order something on the side here, order something for myself. Obviously, as you grow and as you learn, you start to step out, branch out, see what else is out there. Went to Amazon, decided to place an order. So I'm gonna do a quick wristwatch check, and we're gonna get down to the unboxing. We're gonna take a look at the website. We're gonna see what comes with it, look at everything. But I'll give you a hint. So I'm wearing a watch I got from WatchKing.com. It was one of my favorite watches. Actually, I'll drop a link to this watch unboxing and my general thoughts in the comments below, so check that out. This is the Heritor Morrison. As you can see, this is clearly, an homage of a Seiko Turtle on a Jubilee bracelet here. So, it's actually not a bad watch, not a bad piece at all. But let's take a look at what I got first. So we've got the box here, Seiko. Okay, I actually ordered this on Amazon.com. It's that perfect time of year where you order something on Amazon. It is, I don't know if they are under promising and over delivering on purpose so that it seems like everything gets here very quickly. But I will say that this was supposed to get here Wednesday. It is Monday, and it's already here. So I don't know if that's some kind of Jedi mind trick that they're playing. I really don't know. but let's get down to business here. So let's see here. This just got dropped off with FedEx. We'll slide everything out here. We'll take a look. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, so just looking at the small things first here. Looks like we have probably an operations manual here. Oh, it's over here. Okay. So here we've got the certificate of guarantee. Oh, okay, that's very cool. Okay, we'll throw that back in there. Let's see, so we've got some operational stuff here. We'll throw that to the side. We've got the instructions, automatic watch. Okay, so this is about the movement here and different instructions on how to run it. Interesting. That's some light reading for you there. We'll put that to the side. And then we have a certificate of authenticity. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Let's get down to business here. So now I will say first off, this is a very cheap box. This is a great watch. I'm so glad I own one, but this is a very cheap box. I mean, it's literally paper. I've bought watches for $50 that have nicer boxes than this, but it's about what's inside, I guess. So now here's what we got here. Got the pillow, and we got a Seiko Turtle. Actually, a Batman Seiko Turtle. So as you can see, I mean, this is clearly, this is the watch that this one was modeled after. Okay. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. I actually cannot wait to replace this Heritor. This Heritor's been such a great watch to me anyway. I get a lot of questions about it, a lot of looks, but it's nice to get that same look, obviously from the original, but also, and own the original, but also, own something from this legacy brand here. So it's not, I mean, obviously this is kind of a micro brand here, which is fine, but it is nice to own the actual, where it derived from, what it was based on. So, but let's go in for some detail shots here. We'll bring it in. So you can see automatic Seiko movement here. So you can see we have a date, nice hands here. I do like the Batman color scheme. The blue and the black. I really like that. I like the hands on the watch. The hands are nice. I like how long some of these watches have a short sweeper hand, short minute hand here, and this one is nice. I'm sorry, second hand here, and this one is nice because it is nice and long. I like that. I like that a lot actually. But let's take a look. So we've got, let's see here. That's just smooth. There's nothing stamped on there. On the back here, which I guess maybe I could try to peel this off. Or maybe I have to do this later if this is gonna take too long. Okay, here we go, here we go. Looks like it's coming along here. Okay. Alright, so there's the case back. There we go. So it's not some crazy display case back or anything like that, but you know, like I said, it's such a nice watch, such a capable watch. We don't need gimmicks. We've got Seiko etched in back here. Looks like it's just kind of a basic clasp, you know, just on this basic stamped or pressed clasp here. But I have seen a lot of people actually you know, take this bracelet off and put a Jubilee on here. Man, I would like to do that. I really do like the one that came on this homage here, this Jubilee. And then it also has a this butterfly clasp here on it, so maybe I will look into getting something like that. I know that these Seiko watches, there are a ton of aftermarket websites that sell things, you know, they sell straps and different things that you can do to kind of change it up and get what you want, your own custom look here. So I might end up doing that. I might end up doing a Jubilee like I have here on this homage. But very nice piece, guys. I'm so glad that I got it. I'm so glad that I own the original now. Let's pop it on the wrist. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna go off camera for 1 second. Let's come back. I'll open this up. We'll throw this on. Now, obviously, this is not sized. So they put a lot of links in here that I'm gonna have to probably take out maybe about 2 links here. And then check out the micro adjustments. It looks so good on the wrist, guys. It looks so good. I like it. And you know, the Batman color scheme, it's not, to me, it's not something you see all the time every day, but I mean, obviously it's rarely common, but you know, I don't see it everywhere. So it's nice having this this blue and black on here. Very nice. Let's take a look at the website. Let's see what we've got here. Let's open up the phone. Okay, so as I said, guys, I ordered this on Amazon. I'll show you guys the price that I paid. It was $283. It might be cheaper somewhere else. I just like Amazon. They ship things fast, and you know, the return policy is great. So, but again, I'm you know, you may be able to find this a couple bucks cheaper somewhere else. I'm fully acknowledging that. You know, this is just, I actually, I also had a $100 gift card, so that's also the reason why I went with Amazon. I had a $100 gift card that someone gave me for early Christmas gifts. So, but so actually, I guess I paid about $183. So listen, you know, you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. Just full disclosure here. So we've got 44mm case. Obviously, it's made out of stainless steel. 20mm band. Okay, you've got a, let's see, it's just, now this is the thing that always kind of kills me about Amazon. It says the band color is black. Nope, it's stainless steel. I don't know how we got that. But it is a black dial, and the watch movement is a Swiss automatic. Pretty sure it's Japanese, but you know, who's counting, right? So let's come down here. We've got the same specs once again. The case diameter, case thickness, okay, 13 millimeters. Let's see here, stainless steel, made in 2018. Let's see here, we've got a black, once again, black dial. It says we have a black band and a Swiss automatic. I don't know how. 200 meters water resistance is what they're saying here. And other than that, I mean, that's basically it, guys. A beautiful watch at a great price, easily obtainable. It's not something too crazy here. But I really, and I do mean really, like this watch. Let me see if I can get some of my hand gunk off of it. See if I can, there you go, it's a little cleaner here. But anyway, if you guys could please like, comment, subscribe. I do unbox Watch Gang watches typically. I do plan to do some giveaways once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, just hit that subscribe button. just stick around. I'm going to do tons of unboxings. I'm going to unbox some more stuff, some other subscription box services, some other stuff, knives, wallets, different things that I'm into. We'll take a look here. We'll unbox them together, and we'll see what's out there. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Unbox and chill. Later.